In today's video, I'm gonna show you 7 LEGO things to do when you're bored. Alright, the first thing you can do is build something from your old LEGO instructions. I've collected a few booklets over the years and it gives a sense of nostalgia building the same thing that you might have built a decade ago. The second LEGO thing you can do is to design a LEGO model using design software. This gives you the opportunity to build something you might have wanted to build but your LEGO collection cannot support your ideas. Building through Start.io gives you a chance to recreate your dreams, whatever that means. If you're really bored and the internet is down for some reason, you can organize your LEGO collection, either by color or by the type of pieces. Next, you can try making a LEGO stop motion video. I'm gonna be honest here, I'm not the greatest LEGO stop motion video maker.
Look at this dude. No, 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 no.
But I do know some tricks here and there. Take a tripod, a mobile device or camera, obviously get something you want to film, and take some patience with you because you're gonna need it here. Just take a couple hundred photos and you'll have a stop motion video. This right here is kind of fun, to make a custom LEGO board game. Use your pieces and imagination and you'll come up with some great game ideas. Also, what game do you think inspired this build right here? Upgrade your LEGO builds. You can add some simple LEGO pieces to your existing LEGO mocs and it can instantly become better. And finally, recreate something from my tutorials. I have many playlists divided in many categories and levels, for example the Easy Builds playlist. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.